You know, sometimes deals just present themselves, even in inopportune times when the garage is filled with other machines and we don't need any projects. And that's exactly what happened. I have a buddy of mine, he presented something to me a couple days ago. It's sight unseen. I have no idea what this thing looks like. I'm going by my buddy's word that it's a good deal. All I know is that it was $1,000. I already Venmo'd the money over, and we are headed there now to take a look at this thing. I'm crossing my fingers that it's going to be a good one, but I do trust what my buddy says. So we've got about an hour trip here, and we're going to take a look at this thing together. All right, guys, I just pulled up here with my buddy Matt. You guys may know him from YouTube, Garage MC.
What up?
Garage MC Matt, I think is your YouTube tag, right?
Yes, sir. One word.
You guys can check him out. He's got a lot of cool stuff on there. I'm just looking at this right now. This is another deal here. I don't know how much you want to disclose about this. I saw you posted the video already, so I know it's not like a...
I didn't reveal what I paid, bro. Because when I go to sell it, somebody will think they need to have it for free.
I know the feeling, man. You said it didn't run, and that's why you got it for a real good price.
It sat for like a long time, dude. The guy bought it brand new in 06, and then he rode it for like 2 seasons. Parked it in a shed for like 6-7 years, then lent it to his buddy that did the suspension, the stem, new wheels, tires. Then it went right back in the shed. Went right back in the shed, man.
Yeah, it looks really clean.
If you guys have a 450R, do not put your key here unless it's just the key, because I've had one before with other keys on it, and when you hit bumps, it flips around and turns the quad off. Bad spot, man. Bad spot, bro.
I would never think that.
Bad spot. I've had it happen
nice
to me.
levers and stuff on it, man.
Dude, it's decent. Yo, it's got the GT or Hess rear shock linkage on it, too.
Oh, does it?
Yeah. I didn't even know that when I first... Here, we can roll it out. It needs to have the cobwebs blown out of it, dude. It's been sitting.
What's the air filter look like?
Brand new. I just put an uni in it. It had the OEM air filter in it still.
So I don't know if there's any other cool things here. We got the ESR 330, right?
PSI.
PSI, dude. And you guys know what this is? That's a super rare piece, dude. That's got adjustable compression, which is wild. Super rare. And Matt said it actually works. I've heard of those things, and I just heard that was like their downfall, is they had issues. But you said you never had a problem with it.
Dude, never had an issue. It's like riding a CR250 with 4 wheels, like literally. I just found all the red carbon stuff. I got the hood in the garage.
Yeah, it looks super clean. Last time it was up in the garage, and I kind of couldn't see.
Yeah,
but now it's like on a nice day out here. It looks really good.
It was all covered in pollen and stuff, man. So I went to the 400EX front end. Got rid of the cast steel knuckles. Like, the front end of this bike should be super light. These are like 7 pounds a piece.
Yeah,
no, 4.5 pounds a piece. They're the Stage 3 factory series. But
this is so rare, dude.
They're from the 90s. I actually found an extra one. Somebody messaged me on Facebook, was like, yo, you want a spare one? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I got black
5B pipe.
I got black rad hoses coming in because I don't like the red. It just doesn't fit.
Yeah, dude, that thing probably sounds awesome. Kind of have a feeling that's the job right there.
That thing right there?
Yeah, so I sort of told them it's basically sight unseen. I sent Matt the money. I know what it is, like the model and year. I haven't really had a glimpse at it, but you said you had this already, sold it to the guy, now this is sold back to you.
I owned it in 2022. I bought 8 400EXs at one time.
That's ridiculous.
And one of them had no rear on it, so I put a rear on it. It smoked like a cigar store Indian. Traded it for this. Then I traded this for a completely worked YFZ 450.
You can't keep me waiting here too much longer. We gotta pull this
all right. You want to see it, huh?
I can already tell though. I see spoke skins and, but I see an Excel wheel. So, all right, let me see it, dude. It's been like 2 days. Lots of spoke skins. We get the
aces and eights, bro. Dead man's hand.
I can't wait till you guys get a close up of this. So Matt's like, it gives me vibes of the OG Maverick, the original graphics. Now I see it, man.
Oh yeah, it's Maverick all the way, dude. This thing needs to be riding right next to it.
It's really not that bad though.
It's really not, dude. It's really not. It's exactly what he said. It's got low compression, but I guarantee you, I think it will run still. Not that, either one of us would ride it like that, but I think it'll pop off. Excel wheels, FMF Gold Series. Well, you know, the important things in life, like another dirt bike.
It's actually tight. Oh, never mind.
Yeah, wheel bearing. Or no,
Yeah,
spokes. Spokes are loose.
It looks, yeah, for sure. Holy shit.
Yeah.
That might knock riding this thing today right out of the park, dude. That's pretty bad.
The graphics kit alone is like, I mean, that you got your money's worth there, bro.
Let's push this thing outside in the light.
Okay.
I'm missing my kickstand. Dude, it looks like trash next to the 250R.
Nah. Nah. It just makes that look a little bit better.
Dude, for $1,000, I feel like I can't lose, dude. 99 KX250. It's got the purple rear shock mod. And I don't know if we can call these the clown graphics, but definitely like the poker graphics. Got the cards on there. It's a little bit cooler than the Maverick. The Maverick was just straight up like anime. made for a good transformation, a good story though.
Look like Tavares's RX-7 anime.
Yeah. It's got good levers, the arc levers.
Mm-hmm.
These, I don't know if this is like the eBay special.
Definitely.
That's just definitely.
Definitely.
But you're right, it's got the key in on there, that's good. Really doesn't look bad. If not for the back wheel with the loose spokes, honestly, like the swing arm feels tight. The stem feels tight. It's got the Power Core 2 on there. XO wheels. I wonder if they're straight.
I don't know, man.
Gold pipe, Gold Series.
I don't know. I figured this was a non-loser right here, bro.
Yeah, for $1,000, you just can't.
You can't go wrong,
lose,
dude.
yeah. Front wheels are real nice and tight.
Here, I'll push down on the brewer. You want to spin it?
It looks straight.
It could probably be used to be trued, but you know how dirt bikes are, dude. You know?
Dude, even the pipe doesn't even really have dents in it.
It's not even
a little one right here.
Yeah, tiny.
Quite impressed. I didn't think it would be this nice.
Everybody knows me for getting the good deals, bro. You know what I mean?
Yeah, dude, I appreciate it, man. Seriously, looking out for me.
Out, bro.
I had actually been looking at KX250s. I'm sure you guys can relate when you pop on Marketplace. It's like you can't not get the itch to buy something. Even though I just started the KTM, it's like, do I need another dirt bike? Absolutely not. Also, just picked up an RM65 that I haven't even showed you guys. I'm in no shortage of projects. And every time, I hop on Marketplace just to show somebody something, and before I know it, and I'm sure you do the same thing, Matt, you see something that you don't even need.
I know.
Sometimes it's like a trailer, or like, it's not even a bike, but...
I know. I'll find stuff I never even knew I wanted.
Exactly, yeah. And that's exactly... This one, though, you came to me with this. He's like, bro, I just came across this deal. But because I had been looking, ever since I started riding the 250X, the KX, I'm like, man, I really want to get a two-stroke.
Yeah, you got to have its brother, bro.
Yeah.
You gotta have
this is probably... this will be the death of me, I'm sure.
Let's see if we can get it to crack off.
It does have gas in it.
Does it smell all right?
Yeah, actually doesn't smell bad.
Let's add a little more to it, dude.
What would you say the condition is compared to when you sold it? Was it really nice back then?
Unfortunately, I only owned it for about 12 hours. Stuff comes and goes quick, bro. Dude, we're coming out of the overflow a little bit here.
I'm gonna tap it with a screwdriver. I think you got it.
It's fixed.
Oh, dude, I'm surprised. I was just about to say we think this is a pole starting job. I can't believe. Yeah, leave the choke on.
I got it.
You got a starting fluid?
I do?
Yeah. Dude, this is like, my foot just goes straight down.
Yeah. Oh, we heard it pop off.
Yeah, I guarantee you, if we push start this, it'll definitely fire.
I'm down. I am curious what the PSI's at on the cylinder, bro.
Dude, it's got to be like 80, 50.
Dude, no, it feels good. I'm still shocked.
Squeaking. I'm like, what the heck?
That was a brake. It's the brake. Should we do a disclaimer? This is not something we would normally do. We're
no,
just
it's
excited.
like we have to get it running.
Have to.
We don't really have a hill around, I guess. So
I'll push you. You put it in gear. Want me to take this mic off so it don't bounce off, or does this hold?
It won't bounce off.
All right.
Oh, dude. It definitely was there.
It's ready to go.
It doesn't want to shift very easily. Did we look to see if there was oil in this?
You want me to put a little bell ray in it?
Maybe we should just look.
Should what?
Does this even have an inspection window? It looks like there's oil in there.
It does, right here. She's dry.
I think it just needs a little bit, man.
All right. Well, yeah, I mean, you're not going to go crank it.
Just as long as it's not dry.
Ready?
Yeah.
Let's get some speed.
Tell me when.
Go ahead.
Oh, dude. This thing does not sound like healthy. Oh no, don't die. Oh, oh no. I thought maybe the choke was on. It sounded good for a split second there. At least it pushes easy. Wishful thinking taking this thing for a ride, man.
It sounded good from back
for like 2 seconds, yeah, and then it got boggy and it was like, blah, blah, blah,
yeah,
blah.
I heard it.
I almost hooked a right and I was like, maybe I'll just quick take it on the trail, and I was like,
Ballsy move.
not a good idea. Yeah, I mean, it runs too. We know first gear works.
That's a plus.
You want to hop on? You want me to push you?
Nah, no. You can see that back wheel, dude.
Was it? Oh yeah, really?
Yeah.
Maybe that's God's way of telling us that it's not a good idea to take this for a ride today. I can hear it wants to go. I can hear it wants to go.
Yeah.
Maybe the pilot jet or something just needs to be cleaned out. It might be flooded, maybe. I mean, I can smell the gas. Seller sold me this quad cheap. It wouldn't run. Still doesn't run. You know what, dude? I think, you can shoot some of that starting fluid in there to save the starter. Dude, I would just give it a little... I can cut that part out. Cut. Barely anything.
That's it. That's it. Let me get some speed.
Sure sounds good. Do my best not to get this thing muddy. It looks like he did a good job cleaning it. It runs great. This thing runs great, man. It does sound maybe just a little lean, just a little bit. Let me take it through that for you, Matt. Oh, geez. Oh, no, dude. Oh, gosh. Let's pray for a moment. Oh, man. We just did all that chugging in the driveway. I'm going to let it sit for 10 seconds. Oh, gosh. I don't have my phone with me either. Oh man. Well, it is leg day. Come on, baby. Son of a bitch. At least I'm not like in the neighborhood and people, you know, it's like the push of shame. It can be difficult to bump start in the sand too. This is gonna be a joke. Just thinking maybe I should just cut that part of the video out. The valves just might need to be shimmed a little bit. Simple as that. Even though it's running good, at least this pushes nice and easily. Oh, dude. Oh no, dude, are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. I can't believe that just happened. You hop on this damn thing, dude. Did you hear it? I just had it started for...
No, I heard it.
What are you doing? Just give her a bump, man. I think it'll start. Yeah. My phone or nothing. I was like, shit. The clutch is really sensitive. I'm like, I stalled it right back there. Dude, I feel like a criminal riding this. It's your machine, and I'm like, you're walking back.
You're good, bro.
Do you want me to go up and back real quick? Oh my gosh. Holy shit, dude. This is why you don't just buy a quad and send it. Holy f***. I just went to push the throttle, the whole damn thing went twisted. Oh my gosh. Easy fix, but that was scary. I think it's time to send this one back to the garage. It needs a good looking over. That's gonna be difficult to ride that way. I have to like hold the throttle with my forefinger. I thought the thumb throttle straight up fell off. Matt, I think this needs a good once over, dude. I went to punch the throttle and it was like whoosh.
Go, bro.
I was gonna shut it off so I can talk, but I don't think that's a good idea. Never a dull moment, dude. Dude, I can't believe that just happened. That was hilarious. It's so weird that that suddenly happened because I was kind of ripping it and then it just went whoop. So we had 2 push starts today, successful push starts. Definitely if you guys want to see more content, I don't know if you're going to be doing stuff with that 450R or what the deal is. You've got the 250R over there. Matt's got a whole bunch of projects and he does turn stuff over nonstop. He's always getting new stuff. Yeah. So you can follow him. It's Matt Garage MC. It's Garage MC Matt.
Garage MC Matt
is the YouTube channel. Head on over there and give him a follow because I said so. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Peace out, guys.